Alright guys, so by request, I actually did have a Discord channel. I kind of added like more stuff to it or whatever. I don't really know what the plans are for it, whatever, but I know you guys have been asking. So all the links to all my social medias, Discord, all that fun stuff are in the description, so go check it out. If you guys want to join the Discord, feel free. It's just a place to converse amongst each other about different things, and then voice chats, all that fun stuff. So I just want to say thank you guys so much as always for supporting and doing what you do. If you could though, tell a friend to check out the channel if they have a TSX or they need some help with K-Series stuff or Honda Accord. They all kind of go hand to hand. So tell a friend because it really means a lot. It spreads the word. It's just what I love to do. So I just hope it becomes something bigger one day, you know? We are at a good pace and I love it. This is awesome. So yeah, we're on our way to go do some stuff. I'm about to go pick up some car stuff at Walmart. I know, it kind of hurts. Like, I'm only getting a couple things. I need like some just regular soap and shit. A couple rags. So I'm just trying to vlog. I'm waking up in a good mood. I feel actually energized from work and all that. I don't know if this coffee's still in my system, just like, ugh. Yeah, I'm feeling good, feeling great. It's Friday. Tomorrow we're actually going to FC Auto Lab. Falcon is having his grand opening of his shop, and it's a cars and coffee, so there's gonna be a bunch of different people, mad different cars, a lot of different homies and whatnot, so hopefully get to meet some people, network, and I'm gonna be doing my whole video thing, coverage, like, so stay tuned for that. There's a lot of videos coming out, so be prepared. All of the Wart. You heard it here. Mall of the Wart. Try to get my mom's compression stocks, sending out her a little care package kind of thing to help her out. If you guys have any good recommendations, like really good recommendations, healthy supplements for like arthritis, inflammation stuff, that'd be great. I know some people know things that I don't and all that. Oh, they're so stocked up, bruh. Look at that, so stocked. They have the Joe Blesser guns. I looked at it like last time, but it was like 60 bucks. I'm not gonna spend that, obviously. I need like an aluminum cleaner so I could clean my
Aluminum cleaner?
No, I need something else. I need to clean my muffler because I haven't done that like fucking ever, so yeah. Alright, what do we need? What the fuck?
Wires.
Big wires ain't bad, but it's like, dude. So yeah, got this aluminum polish, exactly what I needed. I'm not a biggest fan of chemical guys, but I definitely want to sound like a quick detailer, and 10 bucks, whatever, you know. It's about to be 12 and I gotta go to work an hour earlier today, so I gotta leave around 1 something, but I get to get out earlier, which is nice because it's Friday. So yeah, I went to O'Reilly's. I got this because I actually like this Griot's Garage Car Wash Preservative Wax. Had to go to Harbor Freight for some cheap things, and that's from Walmart. I forgot to bring the GoPro and stuff because I was just on the run, and I stopped at UPS and did the drop-off package. I did a little care package for my mom. There's that. Getting things done, just trying to flow, you know, trying to be productive. Got the tires right here. I'll be installing them soon, hopefully, eventually. I ordered actually the TPMS sensors. I completely forgot about those. I thought about the sensors afterwards, like it didn't pop in my brain. They were $33 a piece, which is pretty wild, but I actually called Honda Nation, which is nearby in Clearwater, and they wanted $66 a piece. So it's literally double the price, which is insane. Saving money. Ah.
A few moments later.
What is going on, guys? We are back with an update. As you can tell, I'm washing my car at night. It is past 12 a.m. Yeah, this is getting ready for the FC Auto Lab grand opening, cars and coffee tomorrow. So, you know, gotta look decently presentable. I gotta wash her up, and I didn't have time earlier. Plus, I drove my car to work anyway. So, yeah. Vibing, man. These are my hours now. The best time to wash the car because there's no sun beaming on you and drying up the soap. Alright, that concludes the wash and stuff. It is 12:57. 12:57. Let me pull her in. make some noise, even though neighbors already be nosy. It don't matter.
Tomorrow.
Alright, so we're gonna have 2 separate videos for this, vlog style on the GoPro, just to get all around views, and then have a couple footages on the camera, and also just like a montage kind of thing. So hopefully you guys enjoy. Bro, my back. Look at shot. This thing's pretty cool though. It must feel like wild just sitting in it. Riley's cup holder, man. This thing is pretty nice. Oh, K-Series. Look at that. Obviously gotta have all the MR2s and stuff.
So we did the wife's office here because she's the one taking care of the customers in it.
Nice and comfortable chair.
Oh, so now this is the wife's office?
Yeah.
That's,
She's
oh, I like
the one that
boss
does
lady.
the estimates, you know, like
Yeah.
she's the one that writes the
important.
customers in. And then me and Gio, we side by side now.
Okay. I never had one with the Fruity Pebbles. Little stale cereal, but
Stick them all.
what is going on, y'all? Yeah, hopefully you enjoy these vibes. We can't really use too many clips because like the music and stuff, I don't know if it's gonna be copyrighted, so. That shit literally vibrated my fucking earlobes, dude.
Facts.
Forever Boosted, use your code, your local IS300, and you'll get 15% off every purchase.
All right, word.
Alright, man, I'm out of here. Great event, man. Hopefully you guys enjoy this vlog, then montage afterwards.
never take a day off. Work around the clock, my engineer getting paid off. Rock like Ace up, like the weed and take off. So high I cannot see.